What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can fix if your store is unavailable. Here is a fix, like here is how to fix it. I'm gonna be showing you two methods on how you can fix your Shopify store is not available. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on online store. As you can see, you need to click on online store and you want to click on preferences. Okay, this is the first method. Like I said, I'm gonna be showing you two methods on how you can fix this problem. If your Shopify store is not available, here is a fix. Now scroll down a little bit and you need to remove a password. So as you can see, it says here restrict access to visitors with password. So if it's guarded, okay, if you can't uncheck this box, if you can't uncheck this, you need to select a plan. Okay, so it says here to let anyone access your online store, you need to pick a plan. So you need to pay Shopify $1 and then they will give you free 3 months. Like you can use Shopify for 3 months for free. That's the reason why your Shopify is not available. So you need to remove this restriction. To remove it, like it says here, limit who can access your online store, you need to remove the password. Okay, it says here this restrict access to password, and check it. So if you can do that, then here is the second way. You want to go back to Shopify store, click on settings, click on plan, and you need to click on choose plan. Okay, and you need to go the basic one. I think it's enough for everyone. So and then click choose basic and then click confirm billings. Yeah, that's it. You just want to enter here your address and department, that's it. Your credit card will they will charge you $1. Okay, and then click on add payment method at the bottom, and then you can use PayPal or credit card. After you select all this, click on add credit card and pay. Okay, pay for the Shopify plan, and then your store will be available. So after you pay, remove the password, do the same the first method that I showed you at the beginning, go back to the same settings and remove restriction. That's it. Okay, this is very easy. You just need to pay for the plan. See you guys next video. Please drop a like and subscribe. Watch the video in the screen and drop a like I said. See you guys next video.